Today I will show you how to turn off emergency alerts on Android. To do this, open Settings. After opening Settings, scroll down and click on Passwords and Security. After doing this, click on Emergency Alerts. The next thing we need to do is toggle off the Allow Alerts option. After doing this, we will have turned off emergency alerts. If this feature is not under Passwords and Security, it might be under Notifications. If you cannot find it there either, you can also type emergency directly into the search section to find emergency alerts. In this video, I showed you how to turn off emergency alerts on Android. I hope it was helpful.